All right, practice run. So, there is this incredible new coffee maker that I have here. Forget what it's called, but it is the answer to the Keurig problem. The thing that makes us feel Keurig and Nespresso. The thing that makes us feel horrible about all the waste that goes into our instant coffee needs, you know? We've got a sealed container up there. You can feel this seal very nicely. So it's like better than your coffee bag basically at keeping oxygen out. It's got this nice little articulating water container so that you can it's just easier to pull out. There's a thousand ways to do it. Even this, like the routine maintenance on this thing is really nice. You can pull that out, pull this little cartridge out. It looks like it needs some cleaning soon, but non-critical. And it's just, yeah, a lot of good build quality stuff, you know, and user experience stuff. Like, look at that. Just pops open like that. Magnetic. Fantastic. All right, so let's turn this thing on. It's trying to cycle some hot water, which I don't want it to do, because I really don't care. But it wants to clean out the... Oh, shoot. It did it. Okay. He wants to clean out the thing in case it's probably like I bet you it's like a liability thing in case someone hasn't used this in like a month or something, and then there's bacteria in it, something like that. I really wish I could turn that feature off because I use it all the time and I could manually clean it if I wanted to. Anyway, check this out. Here's my go-to. Instead of paying like $8 for having for me, yeah, $8 for a freaking delicious Stumptown coffee latte kind of thing. What I can do, I just figured out, let's get some of this from Costco. Oatmilk, which is freaking delicious. Get some ice. I'll just use this little guy, I guess. Yeah, it's enough. Oat milk. Let's get a glass. Let's put some ice in our glass. Load it up with oat milk, except for a little bit of room for espresso. Push the boost button, because why not? Give me a little espresso. Try any beans. The finest to find there. Now it's brewing hot water, probably pressurizing or something. Here we go. It's also just beautiful to watch that. And this thing articulates up and down, by the way, in case you're using a taller or shorter mug. This is a glass, not a mug. Now we are done. And look at that. So we have hot espresso up there. It's decaf. I just love watching this mix. Grab my wooden spoon here. Use the back of it. Can't do any of them fancy barista tricks, but I'm sure we'll figure it out over time. Ooh, it actually hasn't mixed completely. Awesome. And while we wait for that to cool down, check this out. How does this work? This is obviously just some overflow, standard stuff. But unlike the Keurigs, no coffee pods. Look at that, steaming hot disc of compressed coffee grounds. No more landfilling millions, probably billions, right, of K-pods by now. You can send that to the compost, makes the compost smell better. Close it off. Put it right back here. And occasionally you can rinse like the whole contraption, but it's not necessary every time. I was just doing that to show how this thing works. And barely any, you know, coffee grounds or anything like that that you usually have to get everywhere. And it tastes much better. It's like literally, it's just literally coffee. Oh, that's so good. So we have a clean kitchen, lots of fun, conscience is good. Here you go, enjoy it on the deck. Man, that was good. And the thought that I could drink that a lot because decaf and oat milk, I mean, that's freaking amazing. That's crazy. Usually that's like a luxury, you know what I'm saying? So that's that.